this is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in one of Chicago's most iconic locations, looking south toward the 900 North Michigan and Hancock Towers along tree-lined Astor Street, panning around for a view out to Lake Michigan and a view over Louis Sullivan and Frank Lloyd Wright's Charnley House, which is almost directly across the street. It's a fabulous location, and I'm at the Astor House and headed inside for a walk through a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Apartments here have been completely made over and upgraded in a way that's almost stunning. This is a fabulous kitchen. A great breakfast bar peninsula with a quartz counter, white cabinetry, stainless steel Frigidaire appliances. There's a 5-burner cooktop, ton of built-in cabinets with both shelving and pull-out drawers. It'd be hard-pressed to find a kitchen with more storage and more functionality anywhere on the north side of Chicago. It's a great, spacious living dining room, windows on 2 sides. You have both pendant and track lighting in the kitchen. There's a convection and conventional oven. Built-in wine rack above the cabinets here. Under counter microwave. And as I head toward where I would have entered the unit, coat closet would be off to your right as you enter. And heading toward the master bedroom, there's a stacked stainless steel front-loading washer dryer. Linen closet opposite the washer dryer. Very spacious, generously sized master bedroom. The cherry stained plank flooring continues throughout the entire unit. Closets have custom organizers. There's a walk-in closet with motion-activated lighting. Master bath has a bank of drawers, has a wall-wide vanity, designer lighting, stainless steel framed mirrors, dual bowl vanity, tile that extends up to the ceiling, and a large walk-in shower with an inset for your soap and a rain shower head. Heading toward the second bedroom, which is well separated for privacy. You have another closet. Bath has similar finishes, similar tile. There's a tub, and again a rain shower head. Second bedroom has a view out to the east. And again, custom organizers in the closets. Astor House has a spectacular Gold Coast location. Short walk from the Mag Mile shops, from Oak Street Beach, Oak Street Boutiques. There's a balcony, rooftop pool, and finishes that you're going to find hard to match anywhere. With the all-new Astor House near the top of your list when you're looking for a new apartment in the Gold Coast. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.